Post C-section tips to recover soon. Congratulations on a successful delivery. Childbirth is an exciting time. You will finally get to meet the baby that has been growing inside of you for 9 months. However, having a baby can take a toll on your health. It can be extremely taxing for your body, especially if you have a cesarean delivery. Keep watching to know more. C-section delivery. Did you know that C-sections are very common? In the United States alone, C-section deliveries amount to an estimated 31.9%. That means 1 of every 3 deliveries is through C-section. While C-sections are a life-saving delivery procedure for both the mother and the newborn, the recovery time is more in comparison to routine vaginal delivery. There are certain risks involved in C-sections and it requires serious aftercare. If you recently had or thinking of having a C-section delivery, we have got you covered. In today's video, we have shared some tips on C-section recovery and healing at home. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. C-section incision care. After your delivery, when it's time to go home, your doctor will send you home with detailed instructions. These instructions will include tips on how long you should keep your cut bandages and how frequently you should change your bandages. Follow these tips on how to take care of your C-section incision. Number 1. If your cut has been closed with stitches, glue or staples, you should be able to remove the bandages when you take showers. However, you should check with your doctors first. Showering and letting the water run down your body will also help in cleaning the cut clean. Number 2. Remember that even though showers are fine, you can't go soak in a bath or go swimming yet. Wait till your doctor says it is okay. Number 3. When you are taking a shower, use a mild soap and water to clean your stitches lightly. Make sure you don't scrub the area, especially if your incision has been closed with glue. Number 4. Only pat dry your body with a gentle towel. Number 5. If the incision pain is unbearable, you can use over-the-counter painkillers such as ibuprofen, acetaminophen, etc. If these don't work, ask your doctor for recommendations. Number 6. If you are in too much pain, feel free to use a warm washcloth or a heating pad on a low setting to soothe the pain. Number 7. Be cautious and keep an eye out for any infection. Contact your doctor immediately if your incision wound turns red, it is leaking discharge, your pain is getting worse, you are suffering from heavy bleeding, or if you have a fever. Recovery tips after C-section. Here are some tips that will help you reach a faster recovery after a C-section delivery. Number 1. Take it easy and get plenty of rest. Remember that a C-section is major surgery. Therefore, you shouldn't do any laborious work after or lift too heavy stuff at least for a couple of weeks. Try to keep everything you might need within your reach. Just like any surgery, you will need plenty of time to heal afterward. You should give your body a minimum of 6 weeks to recover completely. Try to get as much sleep as you can. We know that you are determined to lose the postpartum weight, but wait till you fully recover before exercising. Number 2. Hold your stomach to support it. After a C-section, not only is the belly delicate, but it is also prone to injuries. Hold your belly firmly when you cough, sneeze or laugh. The goal is to try and keep it still. However, be careful and don't squeeze your stomach too much or put too much pressure on it. Just get a hold of it firmly. Number 3. Soothe your pain. As we mentioned, C-section is major surgery and you will be in a lot of pain afterwards. Therefore, don't hesitate to soothe yourself with painkillers or a heating pad. Most painkillers such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen are safe to use even if you are breastfeeding, but make sure you consult your doctor first. Number 4. Drink plenty of fluids. During childbirth and delivery, mothers tend to lose a lot of water, so make sure that you make up for it by drinking plenty of fluids and keeping yourself hydrated at all times. Number 5. Take care of your nutrition. To recover after any surgery, you need good nutrition. Eat a variety of foods that will keep you and your baby healthy, especially if you are breastfeeding. Eat plenty of vegetables, protein sources, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Try to eat 3 full meals every day with 2 snacks in between. Number 6. Calming exercises. You can try and practice some calming exercises that will help you recover. These calming exercises include deep breathing to prevent lung congestion, shoulder circles to help with stiffness, and gentle stretching. A basic stretching routine will prevent any cramps from sitting around or lying in bed. It will also improve flexibility around your stitches and help them heal. These were all our tips for C-section recovery. Remember to take care of your mental health along with your physical health. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.